Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Onforu 24 watt light emitted diode LED bathroom ceiling light with over 2000 lumen and over around about 5000 Kelvin. Cool white ceiling light. IP54 waterproof. It's a kitchen lamp, for example, with a CRI over 90. This square bathroom lamp for kitchen, bathrooms, living rooms, bedrooms with a diameter from 25 centimeters is really awesome because it's super bright and energy saving. The LED bathroom lamp has a luminous flux of over 2000 lumen, which creates the pleasure cold white light of 5000 Kelvin and illuminates a room of 18 up to 24 square meters. It can replace a convenient 100 watt light bulb, so that it approximately saves 80% on energy consumption. With your high quality, the upgraded bathroom ceiling light LED is thinner and more modern, using the premium lampshade and the durable frame. It shines evenly without flickering, has better light transmission, and protects our eyes from harsh and dazzling lights. No IR or UV radiations. Insulated, shockproof, durable, and Jewelry. Very safe for our home and family. And IP54 waterproof means with the protective class, this ceiling light bathroom can be used indoor and outdoor too, including the bathroom, living room, kitchen, balcony, basement, bedroom, shops, warehouse, where you like. And it comes with an excellent color protection. Compared to most ceiling lights on the market, the Onforu LED kitchen lamps have higher color rendering, CRI, than 90, which offers us a brighter, softer light. And it's really easy to install, as you can see. We have to remove the bracket first. And then it's time to check. There is a live wire. We have to switch that live wire off. So take their reviews out of it, or you take the switch out. Then check this by using a measuring tool. Okay, and here you can see we have clamps, which is included in the delivery. These clamps we can easily clamp into position, as you can see. Okay, so we have to look. There is a blue wire. This is the neutral line, and an L. That means it's a brown wire for the live wire. Okay, this is important. In United States, you will get in white, this is neutral line, and a black for the live wire. In Europe, it's blue, neutral, and brown live wire. So you know now where the wire comes from, baby. The next step is we attach the bracket to the wall, okay? We drill 2 holes on the wall to fix the metal bracket onto the wall with the plastic expansion nails and screws. So we have to estimate and identify the distance and the size of the hole before drilling, of course. And the metal bracket has to be horizontally placed. And after we place this bracket holding system, we are nearly done, as you can see. Now it's time for wiring. We connect the brown line or the black line in America, and of course the blue line or the white line in America with the lines which comes out of the ceiling with the clamps, and we connect them with the lamp easily. So, okay, white is neutral and black is live wire, or blue is neutral and brown is live wire. We connect the brown live line and the blue line of the light with the live line and the neutral line of the main supply, respectively, of course. If we are wiring ports cannot connected with the existing ports directly, then wire in this accessory can be applied for the connection too, okay? And so you can see it's really bright, okay? It's a really good ceiling light, as you can see, and it makes a good illumination. It's really good for work areas, for bathrooms, where you have to see your skin directly to aim some damages over there to repair that, for example. Or for kitchen, where you have to cut meat or other vegetables into pieces, and these are so nice and directly. It helps you with all that stuff. It will gives you 2100 lumen power, and it comes with a non-dimmable design. It can be switched on and off more than 25,000 times. And the starting time is less than zero point 0.5 seconds. The warm up to 60% in still full light. And you can use it up to 40 degrees Celsius and up down to minus 25 degrees Celsius. 50,000 hours plus hours of lifespan. It's really easy to install, as you can see in that video. And it's IP54 waterproof. And it's an LED system, so will save energy for you. Okay, the wattage is 24 watt. Input voltages in America from 120 volt. In European 220 to 240 volt. The frequency is for the United States 60 Hz, in Europe 50. The luminous flux is 2100 lumen. The life expectation is 50,000 hours plus time. No, okay. The beam angle is 120 degrees. No mercury content, that's good. And the IP rating is IP54. And the energy cost is only $2.89 a year. These are 7.62 pounds, okay? I think it's not so good, not so much to make so big and bright illumination in your home or outside, because it can be used outside too, because it is waterproof. That's awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.